Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Hey, I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the De'Longhi Eletta. Both seem pretty fancy, but I'm not sure which one is better.
Oh yeah, those are both super-automatic machines. The Breville is the Barista Touch BES880BTR, right? And the De'Longhi is the Eletta ECAM44660BX?
Exactly. So the Breville has this touch screen, which looks pretty cool.
True. And it lets you create and save up to 8 personalized coffees. The De'Longhi has a touch display too, but it seems more button-based. It does have a My Milk menu for lattes and such.
Okay, that's good to know. What about the grinders?
Both have integrated burr grinders, which is awesome. The Breville has a conical burr grinder and dose control. The De'Longhi boasts a steel burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings and tubeless technology. Important to note, though, the De'Longhi is a refurbished unit.
Oh, I didn't realize the De'Longhi was refurbished. That changes things a bit. What about heating time? I don't want to wait forever for my coffee.
The Breville is super speedy, with a thermojet heating system, giving you optimal extraction temperature in just 3 seconds. I can't find the information for De'Longhi, but that's certainly a good selling point.
Wow, that's fast. What about milk frothing? I love a good latte.
The Breville has an automatic microfoam milk texturing with an auto steam wand, so you can adjust temperature and texture. The De'Longhi has the latte crema system, which creates cappuccino with drier textured milk foam or hot milk for lattes.
Sounds like the Breville is leaning towards more control, while the De'Longhi aims for ease of use.
It's a good way to put it. Also, the Breville has a 2-year warranty, and I can't seem to see any warranty information for the De'Longhi.
Okay, good to know. It seems the Breville has a few more features and is new, versus the refurbished De'Longhi. I think I might lean towards the Breville.
Yeah, it sounds like a good fit for you. Just keep in mind the price difference, and whether you're okay with a refurbished machine.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.